The function f is such that f of 0 equals to 0 and the condition is x times f of x is greater than 0. Okay. So for example, when x is greater than 0, to make sure that we follow this condition x times f of x is greater than 0, we have to have that f of x will also be greater than 0. If x is less than 0, to make sure that x times f of x is greater than 0, the value of f of x is going to be less than 0. And at x equals to 0, we already know that f of x equals to 0. Okay, so by using this knowledge, let's try to simplify the question. So it is given that integral of negative 2 to 2 f of x dx equals to 4. Okay, so integral from negative 2 to 2 f of x dx is equals to 4. So I can write in terms of negative 2 to 0 and 0 to 2. So this becomes integral from negative 2 to 0 f of x dx plus integral from 0 to 2 f of x dx is equals to 4. Okay, let's put it as the first equation. Let's put this as the equation number 1. Okay, let's look at the second one. Integral from negative 2 to 2 mod f of x dx. Okay, so integral same thing, negative 2 to 2, instead of having f of x, now we have is f of mod x dx is equals to 8. So this simplifies to what? When I have integral from negative 2 to 0, can I say that f of x will be less than 0, right? So instead of opening it as f of x, I should open it as negative f of x dx, right? If I want to remove the modulus, plus this will become 0 to 2. From 0 to 2 it's just positive, so it will open as f of x dx is equals to 8. Okay, so now I have two equations. This is equation number 2. Okay, if we add equation 1 and equation 2, just by adding equation 1 and equation 2, what do we get? 4 plus 8, so 2 integral from 0 to 2 f of x dx is equals to 8 plus 4, which is 12. Hence what we can say here, therefore integral from 0 to 2 f of x dx is going to be 6. Okay, let's put it as equation number 3. Coming back to the question, it says that we need to evaluate the integral from negative 2 to 0 of f of mod x. Okay, let's understand what is f of mod x. Okay, so for example, let's say I have a graph of f of x. Okay, consider this as a graph of f of x. Okay, so this is graph of f of x. Now if I want to do the transformation, what transformation I am doing is I am putting it as f of x to mod x. I am replacing x with mod x. So how will this graph change? So this graph, everything on the left hand side will be removed. So whatever is left would be on the only on the right hand side, right? So for example, if the question was to find the integral from 0 negative 2 to 0, which is from this point to this point. Now this is exactly same as finding the integral from 0 to 2 of f of x dx, right? It's exactly same as finding the integral from 0 to 2 of f of x dx. Hence what I can say, negative 2 to 0 integral f of mod x dot dx is equals to integral from 0 to 2 f of x dx. Hence we already know the value of f of x dx, so from integral 0 to 2, so this is equals to 6. Hence the answer is going to be 6. The answer is going to be 6.